Hey, so in today's problem, we've got a pyramid, and every box in the pyramid is equivalent to the two boxes below it. So let me show you what I mean by that. All right, this is a separate example, but let's take a look. I know that the top box equals 1. So this box plus this one, which we don't know the value of it yet, are going to equal 1. So I can think of this as 57 hundredths plus something equals 1. Now, also, this pyramid kind of continues. So these two boxes are going to add together to equal this one. And these two boxes are going to add together to equal this one. So you can think of each box as the sum of the two boxes directly below it. Okay, so let's solve this one together. So in order to figure out, first of all, let me mention, I noticed that there's a fraction here and there's a decimal here. And remember, we can't add fractions and decimals together. We have to convert to one or the other. In my opinion, I think that decimals are probably easier, so I'm going to convert these to decimals. But if I were to convert them to fractions, I would want a common denominator. And we know that this is 57 hundredths. And so I would want a common fraction for this one as well. I know that 3/10 is equivalent to 30 hundredths. So I could do it that way, but I'm going to choose to use decimals. All right, so I've got 57 hundredths and this one that I don't know. So I'm going to think, how can I figure that out? I need to figure out what is the difference between 1 and 57 hundredths. I can do this in my head. I can think, okay, what plus 57 is going to give me 1? I know it's 43 hundredths. I can do the subtraction, gives me 43 hundredths. All right, so we've got this one. Now I need to know this plus this is equal to 43 hundredths. I need to convert this to a decimal though. So I say it out loud, 3/10 is equivalent to 3/10. So 3/10 plus something equals 43 hundredths. I can see that the answer is going to be 13 hundredths. So, or I could do the subtraction just like I did above. So 43 hundredths minus 3/10. Remember, I need to line up those decimals, which I did not do. I need to line up those decimals. So I've got 13 hundredths. So there's my answer there. 3/10 plus 13 hundredths equals 43 hundredths. Okay, 57 hundredths plus 43 hundredths equals 1. I'm only missing 1. So I've got 3/10 plus something equals 57 hundredths. I can do the subtraction again, or I might just be able to spot the difference. My difference is 27 hundredths. 27 hundredths plus 3/10 is equal to 57 hundredths. All right, this puzzle is completed. This one is yours. Notice there are fractions and decimals. You have to decide which of those you want to use. Make sure you convert them. Remember, your job is to figure out all the missing spaces according to what is directly above them. You have all the information that you need to solve every single one of these missing spaces. Good luck and have fun.